I was freaking out. Hi, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Dora.
And we're Mr. and Mrs. K.
We're a couple from New York that started this channel in 2021 to share our travel, food, and experiences.
Follow us as we find new, interesting, and exciting things along the way. Boop, boop. Happy holidays, everyone! Hope you had a wonderful holiday with loved ones. So continuing with this holiday theme, we recently visited Grapevine, Texas, aka the Christmas capital of Texas. It's about a 30-minute drive from Dallas and absolutely worth that drive. We spent an evening here and had such a great time walking around the town and enjoyed all the lights and festivities. There's plenty of family-friendly events and activities that went on throughout the whole month, so let's get into it. They're all matching.
Wow.
I guess.
We know they're a family.
Yep.
Oh, it's just so pretty.
Right?
Oh, is that Fifth Avenue?
I think it's better than Fifth Avenue. So cute. Everyone's so dressed up.
Is this a thing?
Yeah, I think so. I guess we missed the memo.
So pretty.
Yeah, I think all the stores are really cute too. They're all like Christmas themed. So I'm like wondering, outside of this season, I wonder what like they.
What do they do?
Yeah, what do they sell?
Is this still Dallas?
This is Grapevine.
What is that? Is it a church?
No.
Doesn't look like it. Like, can you go inside?
I think it's a mall. I think so. I think it's like a mall or something. I don't know. We'll have to take a look. So Grapevine is actually considered the Christmas town of Texas.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Look at all these Christmas trees.
Yeah, it's really cute, huh? And the decorations. Oh, there's someone on top of the. You see that?
Well, not someone.
Oh, it's a statue. That's cute.
Oh, wow.
See the Grinch?
Grinch, yeah.
That's cute.
And there is the carousel.
Yeah. So I think there's a whole bunch of different events going on, like throughout the whole month of like November and December. But you have to buy tickets, and this is kind of last minute for us.
We're gonna send letter to Santa. We can also take the North Pole Express.
Yeah, so apparently this North Pole Express is a thing here too. It's like an event, but I had to pay I think $40 per person. Like it's an actual train ride.
What?
Yeah.
I want to do that.
I don't know if I have tickets. Yeah, check it out.
Yeah.
All right.
What do you mean by actual train? Where is it taking me?
I don't know. I think it's just like around or something. Wow, this is a really long line, huh?
Look at all these like matching Christmas outfits.
Yeah, everyone has like matching outfits, huh?
We're definitely missing the message now. Oh, there's a lot of fun things.
Yeah.
So, okay, I think we came to the right place.
Oh yeah.
Unplanned it. Look at that.
It all works out.
Thanks to TikTok.
I mean, there's still a lot of things to do around here.
Yes, we're just like at
eat.
the tip of it, I feel like.
Yeah.
It's so fun. New York doesn't even have a North Pole Express.
Well, we have a lot of like, the whole city becomes like Christmas.
Yeah, but you can't send letter to Santa.
Inside that beautiful building is a cute Christmas installation. It was about $2 per person to visit, and that exhibit was adorable and has plenty of photo opportunities.
No, look at the sled.
Oh, that's cute.
Wow, that's so cute.
They're like caroling.
Look at those little trees, like the forest.
Yeah.
They
There's a
can
little
eat
like, is that an
cookies.
owl? Or
Oh,
oh, there's another one. There's like a big one.
I think they're owls, right?
Right?
They're
Hedwig.
Hedwig, yeah. Oh, there's the Schnauzer.
Oh, the schnauzer, yeah. Waffle found her friend.
Hey. Oh, this is really well made. Schnauzer. Oh, there's the collar.
Collie.
Collie.
Yep.
What happened to Rudolph?
You know, Dancer and Prancer and Donner and Blitzen. Connor and Cupid and... Yeah, where's Rudolph? Oh, he actually moves. Waffle's freaking out.
Okay, we're leaving. It's okay. How fun would it be to decorate this place?
Yeah, right?
Okay, we gotta watch Christmas movie tonight.
North Pole Express?
Maybe a different one. Polar Express is pretty depressing.
Holiday train show. Is this holiday train show better than the one in New York?
In the New York ride is better. But you see the front? Is this supposed to be Mount Rushmore?
Mount Rushmore? Oh, it is. It's Tom and the Tank Engine.
It's supposed to be a snowman.
Yeah, made out of tires. I think that's really clever.
The face is Goodyear.
Or maybe this is the back.
Oh, could be.
Let's see what's on the other side.
Oh yeah, it is the back, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
Let's go.
Well, I know nothing about cars, but this looks really cool. Look at the engine.
I know.
It looks so different.
Yeah, I'm not really a car guy either.
But the
this is pretty
engine
cool.
definitely does not look like your Honda one.
Try the pie. Okay. These samples were amazing. You have to try them. Especially that pecan pie. We bought a chocolate cream pie thinking it would be good, but it turned out it wasn't as good as we thought. And we probably should have just stuck with the pecan pie. Yeah, the chocolate cream looks real good.
Yeah, it looks so good. They have key lime pie too.
I'm not in the mood for key lime pie right now. We had the sample of the pecan pie. Oh, that was good.
That was good.
Really liked
that
the
was
pecan
really
pie.
good.
Yeah.
Cherry pie.
Cherry was okay. It was like really intense and sweet.
Yeah. Ooh, they all look so good.
Right?
Pumpkin roll looks really good.
I say we either go with chocolate cream or what we had, the pecan pie.
Chocolate cream.
Okay. Should we go in?
No,
That's
it doesn't look
chocolate.
as exciting as the outside.
Okay.
Decoration. Winery.
Yeah, I realize there's a whole bunch of wineries around here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Or not a
Is
whole
this a
bunch.
thing here?
I think so. I mean, I've seen like more than 2.
Ooh la la. It says ooh la la.
Yeah.
What is that red castle?
Texas General Store. See, there's another winery.
Oh yeah.
And another
Wow,
winery.
those decorations are crazy.
Yeah, right? It kind of reminds me of Decker Heights,
Yeah.
but like for stores.
It's like Decker Heights without the steroids.
A little more tamed.
Whoa, what is that store? Good things for all season. It looks just Christmas season.
So which one are we gonna go to first?
I'm gonna go to that one first and then walk down that way.
Okay.
It looks like mostly restaurants, wineries on this side
Yeah.
and closed stores. Charlie Brown. We should watch Charlie Brown tonight.
I would love to watch Charlie Brown tonight.
Oh my God, Joy. I want a
Joy?
picture there too. It's okay. Kids first. Oh, it's
Should we
not
go
a
in here?
Christmas shop.
This?
Oh, it is. Okay, right here.
We love checking out a lot of these small novelty shops. And all these shops around this time sold Christmas themed items. All these shops really added to the overall festive mood of the town.
It's an actual book.
I guess you can't really finish it.
You have to like write your own stories each page.
Yeah, you gotta figure it out. Oh, they have like different letters too.
Oh yeah. Oh, it tells you what book is it.
News Digest? Okay. Whoa, they have longhorns. They're so cute.
Much smaller than the other day.
Yeah. So I guess this is what they usually sell, like just souvenirs.
Yeah. It's not as festive here than on outside.
I noticed that the festivities are always like the first half of the store.
Yeah. Wah. Wah. You can have 2. Wah.
I've seen the one with the butt. You squeeze it and like
That's just not pleasant. This is like at least cute.
the butt's pretty cute.
This is gonna feel like if it's colder, it feels nicer. I don't know why. It's like you need that snow.
Yeah,
that coldness.
It's kind of weird because I'm wearing like shorts and like it's kind of Christmas. I'm not
yeah,
used
and
to
your nose are not frozen.
it. Yeah. My face is not freezing.
Yeah, and you're not standing next to the outdoor heater.
Yeah. There's Toyland across.
Let's find toys.
All right, I think that might be our last stop. It's like a playground.
Yeah, this is like kids heaven.
Definitely a lot of kids.
Yes.
All right, so that pretty much ends our day or our time here at Grapevine. It was actually really fun.
Yeah, it's really a surprise. I thought it would be just like a plaza of lights.
But it's the actual
It's
full
like
city or town.
Like a full downtown.
Yeah, they like really dress it up. Like
Yeah.
every part of this town, or like at least the main street, they dress it up in like this whole Christmas lights and events and stuff.
Yeah, I think I enjoyed it very much because we typically don't experience like a summer kind of Christmas.
Or like a warmer Christmas.
Warmer Christmas, so this is kind of nice.
Yeah.
We would definitely recommend Grapevine if you're visiting here in December. It's 20 minutes from, or 30 minutes from the city. It could be a quick half-day trip.
So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. We release videos every week.
See you next time. Bye.
We out!